Battle stations, everyone. Let's show them what we're made of.
Full speed ahead. Ship to the right. Heading left, prepare for the turn. Enemy helicopter closing in. Heading right, 30 degrees. Warning, enemy helicopter detected. Enemy contact on the radar. All engines full stop. Missile silo ready for launch, receiving coordinates. Torpedo fired. All posts prepare for battle. Cannon systems armed and standing by. Enemy torpedo detected. Stand by to maneuver. Full astern. Open missile silo hatches. Prepare for launch. Missile away. 8 seconds to impact. Reporting fire on enemy vessel. Preparing for torpedo launch. Stop the engines. Lock and load. Missiles ready. Torpedoes away. Sinking. Immediate evacuation of the ship. Enemy vessel has been destroyed. Launch detected. 9 seconds to impact. Missile silo ready for launch. Receiving coordinates. All hit. Damage in section 3. Enemy ship is on fire. I'm hit. Falling down. Preparing for torpedo launch. Missiles armed and ready. Enemy ship is flooding. Hull breached. Missile on radar. Anti-aircraft defense prepare. Starboard turn. Vessel is under attack. Open missile silo hatches. Prepare for launch. Missile on radar. Anti-aircraft defense prepare. We are taking damage. Eliminated. We are taking damage. Missiles armed and ready. Shoot at my command. Open missile silo hatches. Prepare for launch. The target has been locked. Missile strike. Enemy locked in. Torpedo tubes open and ready.